Welcome back. This is lesson 6 in the section of the training worksheet, pictures, and comment options. Still on the training, how to get started with Excel. In this lesson, we'll be looking at pictures and smart art objects. To insert a picture, you first of all select the point at which you want to insert it. Go to your Insert tab, click on the Insert tab. Under the illustration section, you click on Picture. Good. It will take you to your picture library and you select the one. I'll use this logo and click Insert. Good. Now, immediately you insert the picture, you see that the Picture Tools pops up. The Picture Tools tab pops up. So all I need to do, I'll just, you can now resize it to the size you want. Just select, ensure this cursor, you see, when this diagonal arrow to end arrow pops up, you just drag it, so it keeps resizing it. You can drag up and resize it to the point you want, and look at the way I'm doing it. So you keep resizing it until you're okay with it. Then you can position it at the point you want it to be. All right, so you can resize it. Good. So you see I have it in the form I want it to be. You can position it. If I want it to be at this point, I can also increase it. You can increase it. Good. So, and you can use the format, the picture tools. When you select the picture tools appears, and you can explore the formatting features on the picture tool bar, right? So that's how you go about inserting pictures. Now we'll insert the smart art object, and to do that, you select the area you want to insert it. Go to your Insert tab. Under the illustration section, click on the smart art option. Now, the smart art graphic dialog box pops up. We can see that we have different section, different what I call it, section or different types of smart art. So this for all, you can check out the list section and you see different form of lists shapes you'll be looking at. So it will show you the different options. There's a different option you have in this section, and each of the one you select, it will give you a preview of it and give you details of what it represents. Like this is a basic block list telling you that it's used to show non-sequential or group blocks of information, maximizes both horizontal and vertical. So it gives you a meaning of what this represents so that you will know which one to use based on what you want to use it for. This is process, this is circle. So anyone you select, you can see a preview of how it will look like. If this is what you want, you read it, okay, what's it for? And you can just make your decision. Hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, picture, office.com. So I'll just use hierarchy for the purpose of this training, and I'll be working with this hierarchy. Good. So we have used to show hierarchical relationship progressing from top to bottom. So I'll use that's good. Now I have my smart art object right here. You can see that the smart art toolbar is active because we just inserted it here. We just inserted a smart art object. You can have the design and we have the format. So you can use these two tabs to work on your smart art, and you can also format it. You can also format it. This will expand it. Okay, if I want to put it, like I have the head here. Maybe this is the director, finance manager, admin officer, admin secretary, and the accountant. So stuff like that. So you can just format it, put in what you want to do, and you see your structure is up and good to go. All right. So that's how you insert smart art. I can close this here, and you can also input it directly. Whichever way, you can just work with this one, or you can just directly work with here. Right, as you're inputting it, it will still be showing up here. Right. So I don't know, should we just fill this? Okay, let's just fill this in. Let's see, this director, let's see, admin manager, this finance manager, this admin officer, this admin secretary, let me just put admin sec, all right? And this is accountant. Good. So we have, you can see as I'm inputting it here, you see the hierarchy is filling: director, admin manager. Under him, we have admin officer, admin secretary, then the finance manager. Under the finance manager, we have the accountant. Right. I can close this if I don't need it. So you can do a lot of formatting. Just for the purpose of this training, we'll be stopping here, and just for you to understand how you can insert the smart art object and your picture object. I believe we now have an understanding of how to do that. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson.